What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today I will show you 3 altcoins that I'm currently watching and on which I'm expecting a pump in the upcoming days. So if you are interested about these coins and about my exact entry that I'm planning to make here, definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to ask you, if you like my videos and you like my analysis, I will be really happy if you hit the like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under the video, because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to follow my analysis, you can join to this group, because every day I am sharing here analysis on Bitcoin, analysis on altcoin that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested, the link to join is in the description or in the comments. The first coin that I will show you today is Rune. If you are in my Discord trading group, you know that I informed you about this resistance on the 12-hour chart, and in the analysis I said that I'm waiting here for a breakout and support confirmation. But also we have here this bearish order block on the 12-hour chart, and this bearish order block is between levels 3.158 and 2.931. So to enter a long position, this breakout and support confirmation wasn't enough, because I want to see here a breakout and support confirmation of this bearish order block as well. Because if we look on the chart from a higher time perspective, you can see that historically we don't have here above this bearish order block that much liquidity. So if there will be that breakout and support confirmation, then I think that there is absolutely insane opportunity for opening a long position. So the exact trade can look, for example, like this. This trade is probably have the biggest risk-reward ratio that I ever showed you on this channel. But yeah, in my opinion, this opportunity is really good, and if certain conditions are met, then I think that there can be a really good opportunity for entering a long position. So as I said, I am waiting here for a breakout and support confirmation. So if these conditions are met, then I think that there can be a good opportunity to open this long trade. Stop loss you can put under this bearish order block, because if there will be that breakdown resistance confirmation, we are probably going down. And let's now take a look on the take profit target. You can see that on the 12-hour chart, the next important resistance area is here between level 17.31 and 16.06, which can give you estimated net profit around 400%, which is like absolutely crazy. Keep in mind, guys, that this trade will not happen in couple of weeks or months. This trade will probably happen in the couple of months at least. So yeah, this move will probably take, I don't know, 3-4 months, something like that. But yeah, this is like the next main important resistance. But this doesn't mean that you need to take all of the profits in this current bearish order block, because in this trade, it is really important to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you can take, for example, here in this previous important resistance area. So let's say under the level 3.77. Another profit, you can see that in this area we have another important resistance. This was like previously important support. So let's say next profit you can take under a level 6.37, then take some of the profits under the level approximately, let's say 9.30, then some of the profits under this level, and then some of the profit here. So yeah, in this case, you can have here risk-reward ratio around 46, but if you will take multiple take profit targets, the risk-reward ratio will be, let's say, around 30, 25, something like that, which is still absolutely insane. So I really recommend you to keep an eye on this setup, but of course, wait for that breakout and support confirmation to open this long position. Also, if there will be some new interesting information, I will share an analysis about this coin. So if you want to know about it as soon as possible, I highly recommend you to join my Discord trading group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. The next coin that I will show you in this video is Sushi. This setup is not as good as the previous one, but in my opinion, still a really good trading setup. So on the 12-hour chart, we have here this falling wedge / sideways channel, but the main important thing here is this resistance wall. So Right now, we have here opportunities to open both long and short positions, but in my opinion, the long position is better here because we have here better risk-reward ratio. So, to open a long position, I want to see here a support confirmation. You can see that we had here a breakout, but this was just a fake out, so this is exactly why I am always waiting for that support confirmation. So, if the support confirmation will happen here, then I think that there can be a good opportunity to open a long position. Stop loss, you can put somewhere back to this falling wedge, and your last take profit target can be put under this bearish order block, which is between levels 1.2 and 1.158, which can give you a really good risk reward ratio. On the other hand, the short position will be valid after a resistance confirmation here. So if now will happen a resistance confirmation, the resistance confirmation also needs to happen under this resistance, then there can be a good opportunity. Stop loss, you need to put above the high that we created after a breakout. That's like my number one condition. So if you want to open a short position, always wait for a breakout of that important resistance, then put the stop loss above it. And the take profit, you can put above this bullish order block, which is between level 0.533 and 0.520, which can give you risk reward ratio, let's say approximately 10. But again, you can take multiple take profit targets. But let's now take a deeper look on that long scenario. So the long trade can look, for example, like this. As I said, I would enter a long position after a support confirmation. Here you can either wait only for the support confirmation or also for the breakout of this previous high, and stop loss you can put somewhere back to this falling wedge. There is no like a recommended level on which you should put it, so it like only depend on the risk you want to have and on the risk reward ratio that you want to have. And the last take profit target, as I said, you can put under this bearish order block. Again, there are multiple important resistance areas. The first one is this area, so definitely take some of the profit, let's say under the level 0.904, then some of the profits below the level approximately 0.991, and then the rest of the profits below this bearish order block. But in this case, it can give you risk reward ratio approximately 11 to, if you choose like lower stop loss, to let's say 8.5. So again, this is really good trading setup, and definitely keep an eye on this one. And the last coin that I will show you in this video is AR. You can see that we are currently testing here this bearish order block, which is between level 6.28 and 5.65. So yeah, the scenario is quite similar like in the previous cases. So to open a long position, I want to see here first of all a breakout and support confirmation. Honestly, the risk reward ratio in this last trade is not that good because let's say the second important resistance we have here between levels 9.78 and 9.33. And if you want to open like a long position here after a support confirmation, you need to put your stop loss below, let's say this bearish order block, which can give you a risk reward ratio around 5, which is not that good, but it's still a tradable trade. So if there will be that breakout and support confirmation, the last take profit target can be put in this last bearish order block. But again, we have here few important resistances. So some of the profits take below the level 7.00, then 8.03, and last take profit target in this bearish order block. So yeah, this is the final setup. If you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group where I am sharing the analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But anyway, this will be all from me for today, and I will see you tomorrow in the next one. See ya.